In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Grammarly on laptop. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in app.grammarly.com. Press enter. After you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Grammarly. So if you want to get the app, what you have to do is click on this option, get the app, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here Grammarly installer will be installed. You'll be able to see the .exe file over here. So what you have to do is simply wait for a while. Now after the exe file has been installed, what you have to do is simply click on this open icon. Now after you wait for a while, you can see over here the Grammarly will be installed. Now what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts in order to complete the setup, and you'll be able to start using the Grammarly. So that is how you install Grammarly on laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.